The previous bathroom setup, it was small, it was clunky, it was very plain and a little bit clinical looking, so there wasn't much personality with it. I kind of just wish I'd had this bathroom 10 years ago rather than today. Hi, my name's Cathy and I'm from Hillsborough, and I'm absolutely thrilled to share our bathroom transformation with Bathshack with you. I really wanted to create a bathroom with a bit of visual interest and contrast. The dark green, almost marble look tiles on the feature wall are just absolutely stunning. They add such a luxurious and dramatic feel. But to balance it all out, then we wanted to keep the space feeling bright and airy, so we chose the speckle tiles for the floor and the other walls. I just love how the different textures and patterns work together without being overwhelming. When we were looking at options for the bathroom, we were immediately drawn to the fluted design of the Vanity. It just felt so modern and added a really stylish texture to the bathroom. It's not plain and boring, and it's a real feature, and the matching storage unit is really fantastic. It ties in perfectly with the Vanity and just creates a really cohesive and contemporary look. Plus, having it wall mounted gives the whole bathroom a lovely spacious feel. Definitely exceeds my expectations. I didn't actually realise a bathroom could feel and look so good, and it's just really nice to be in the bathroom now rather than it feeling so clinical and cold in the past. I would highly recommend Bathshack to anybody else, both in terms of ideas for design, the range and the quality of the products that are available, and just being sort of led through the design process, and obviously right through to just making a bathroom look and feel as amazing as it does. The whole bathroom experience, from going in to have a look at products to actually shaping design and shaping your thinking about what you actually need rather than what you thought you might have needed. So the whole experience has just been phenomenal, so much so that we're probably going to get the other bathrooms done in the house now as well.